Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Excavating Adventures. This sounds like a really fun subscription box, and each month you get to do a new excavation. So it's filled with rocks and minerals and tons more. So Jackson actually loves doing stuff like this, so he's here with me now so we can kind of unbox it together. This is what it looks like when you open it. Gemstone Journey. It's nicely wrapped. Ooh, and I think these are the ones that are in here. And what I like about this is they give you a little case to put them in, so you could keep them organized. I think that's awesome. Are you familiar with any of these, Jackson? There's my birthstone, emerald.
That's what I thought it was.
Garnet, that's actually your birthstone.
I knew it.
You did?
I knew it was like something kind of reddish.
Yeah, yours is like a dark red.
Yeah.
So this says to use the tools in a small envelope to scrape away, uncover, and examine the specimens in the tins. So I guess they're in tins each individually. Use a polishing rag to clean them. Use the pictures on the front of this card to identify them. Store them in the collector's box. Open the envelope of trading cards to explore information on the back. That's awesome. And then you can put it in a display box. That's cool. Once you complete all the steps above, place the Gemstone Journey passport sticker on the question marks on your passport. Very cool. So there's much more than just digging out the gems in here, so that sounds cool. And again, I love that case. That's really neat. So this might be the tools. Oh, these are the trading cards probably. Emerald, garnet, topaz. So they're all on there. And then on the back, they have little point values too. Tells you all about them. That's pretty cool. I feel like you're really gonna like this. He loves rocks. And he's done a variety of like these, you know, dig out the stones before. And anytime we go on vacation and they have something like that to do, he always does it there too. So we love rocks. So this has a little display box. And that might be the sticker inside for the passport. Just lifts up there. Then we have some tools. So we have a little magnifying glass, a little brush to dust it off, a little wooden thing, and then the polishing cloth. What else we got? A tin. Ooh, that's heavy. Really heavy. Ooh, that's gonna be fun to dig in. I'll let you do that in just a second. There's something right there on top too, it looks like.
Let me see how heavy it is.
Okay.
That is kind of heavy.
This might be, yes, this is the end of it. This last thing here. We have our passport, so we'll put our sticker on there, our Gemstone Journey sticker. It's front and back. Oh, neat. A little, you could put it in a book and then put everything in there. That's pretty cool. I like this. Very well done. Alright, so I'm going to move some of this aside and we're going to start digging. Okay, so I would use this to kind of scrape around and dig in there. Go ahead. Yeah. See what you can uncover.
Right.
And we're looking for 10 different gemstones.
10? Okay.
Yep. So you could try to dig out whatever that is on top, maybe.
Yeah.
What is it?
I think it might be in between these three.
Okay, I'll put the card over here so they can see what you're digging for. So you think it might be a garnet? Yeah, kind of looks a little dark purple maybe?
Yeah. I don't know if it's on the list.
Yeah, go ahead, keep digging.
I bet it would still be though.
Do you have a favorite rock or a favorite gemstone?
I like this one and this one. I kind of like that one. That one looks kind of pretty.
Keep digging. So it's definitely hard, but there's like softer spots to it. Keep digging.
Okay.
And I like that the tool is sturdy, but it doesn't have any sharp edges, so it's okay for young kids.
It's kind of soft right here.
Mm-hmm. They sell stuff like this at the store, but it's really expensive and it's not as fun. This looks like it's a lot easier to uncover. Because don't you think the ones we've had in the past were like super hard to dig out?
Yeah, they were really hard.
We've even cheated and got them like wet to...
yeah, that's what I've done.
Yeah, and he even got mad last time and was like trying to break it on the concrete, which defeats the purpose if you're not going to try to take your time and dig through it. Can't believe there's going to be 10 in here. Yeah,
Like
I definitely think that's the amethyst. I'm going to take the back of this, which isn't a digging tool.
I think it's just like going to be one like one of those flat ones. I saw a flat one before.
This is neat.
Let me see what.
It's kind of like a... What kind
Okay,
of
now I
mixture do you
start to
think
think
this
it's
is?
that.
You think so? I think
Yeah,
so.
yeah.
Yeah, you're going to have to dig in there a lot, and I should probably bring a little...
Help you.
Maybe tap it in the trash can to get out the excess. I can't say that word.
How can
Excess.
you not access? Access. Access. Call it access.
I make fun of my mother because she never knows. She mispronounces everything, and here I am.
Pronounces
Following in
everyone's
her-
names
In her,
wrong.
yeah, following in her footsteps. That's
Very
fun.
wrong.
Maybe we should dig somewhere else, see if we can find. Do you want me to tap off some of this stuff?
Yeah. Big taps on it.
Yeah, let's dump it. I think
Take
we
it out.
finally, yeah, I think we finally got it free.
Yeah. I think we'll need that.
So I will polish it. But that's a pretty big amethyst. And we're starting to see different colors. Like it looks like there's something here and here. Yeah, you want to keep digging? Find a different spot to dig in? So I'm going to polish that and I'll be right back.
Yeah.
So there's the polished stone. You keep digging. You don't have to stop because I'm talking. That's really cool. What I like about this is it obviously takes a while because it's a harder, what do you call it, material. So it's not like it's something you can do in like 5 minutes.
Like a blackish?
Kind of looks black. Garnet looks black on here, even though I know dark garnet is normally like a very deep dark red. I'm not wearing my mother's stone, but my mother's stone's my garnet. That's your birthstone. This is my husband's birthstone. So it has all of ours on here except for Sissy's. Hers isn't on there.
I know hers is. It's that blue turquoise.
Yep. Actually, I think she has two for December. It's turquoise and I don't remember what the other one is.
I didn't even know there was a second one. I think there's
Yeah, some
something
months
here.
have two.
I think this one. I think
Yeah.
that's something.
Keep digging.
Oh, here's something right here.
Yeah, find
I'm
something in
seeing
there.
all the spots.
But I like this because it's in a tin and it has the lid attached. So that way if they get tired of doing it or maybe you got to leave the house or something, just put the lid on it and it's mess free. So this is really
Mess-free.
cool. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Do you think this is a neat idea for a subscription? I do too. All right, keep digging, and this is going to be a long video, so we'll just cut toward the end, and you can see our treasures that we dug out. Okay, so we dug everything out. There's a lot more in here than I thought. I thought there was literally going to be like one of each stone that's kind of, you know, a decent size, but in actuality, there's several of most of them. Some are bigger pieces, some are little tiny chips, and you get to kind of like sort them out, and we did cheat a tad and put a couple drops of water in it just to soften it up, and that made it a lot easier for him to dig. And then I used this to put everything in here. I filled it with water and I kind of closed it and just let the water run out. I would suggest having like a small bowl or even like a bucket to rinse them in because they do have like a gritty sand-like mixture on them. Still need to clean some of these a little bit more, but that was tons of fun. Took a long time to do, and like I said, comes in a tin so you can close it if you want to do you know, start and stop later. And overall, Jackson, did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew he would have fun doing this. So I'm gonna let him sort them, put them in his little container. And if you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, I have all the information below in the description box under the video. So make sure you check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.